So as a business coach, I know that there is no substitute for being in the room with a client to sort of plan and ideate. But travel is time consuming and expensive both for me and my clients. And so over the years, I've spent right around $200,000 to create a virtual environment that mimicked the in-person experience. But nothing has been more valuable to me or my business than my Whiteboard. Before Vibe, I used traditional whiteboards or PowerPoint presentations to help my clients visualize and understand the concepts that I was trying to teach them. And for a while, that worked really great. Online learning and distance coaching at that time were still pretty new and novel. But over the years, people have gotten burned out on showing up to webinars and virtual meetings and seeing those same old boring slide presentations again and again. And it's become too easy for them to lose focus and get distracted. And worse yet, those old methods for collaborating didn't offer the kind of interactive experience that my clients expected from me and from the work that we were doing together. And I was pretty desperate to try and find a better solution that would not only set me apart from the other coaches in my space, but that also helped me create a better experience with the client, one that I hopefully was going to lead to better results that we did together. And in my mind, when I was searching for a solution, there were really three big things we needed to solve for. First, I needed the ability to collaborate in real time from the same board. When you're in the same room with a client, you can map out your processes and you can write notes on the whiteboard together, and you can actually physically hand the marker to another client and have them share their ideas with you. But that's just simply not possible when you're meeting virtually. But with Vibe, I can easily interact with my clients on a Vibe canvas through email. They can jump into the same canvas from anywhere on Earth, and I can zoom in and sort of visually guide them through the process. I can handwrite key points to help convey difficult concepts, or I can simply have my clients share their ideas in real time. It's become an immersive experience that has revolutionized remote calls and empowered my clients more than they've ever been able to. Now, second, time is money. And I needed a solution that would seamlessly integrate with all of the other software that I use so that I could streamline my workflow. And with Vibe, that is exactly what I get. It supports thousands of apps, allowing me to log in and have everything ready to go instantly. I can annotate directly onto any visuals and save them into the cloud, making our coaching sessions not just 10 times more efficient, but also saving all of the time that I'd normally spend managing files afterwards. And finally, I wanted the coaching experience to be more than just a one-time session. It needed to be an ongoing journey. And by sending a follow-up email that includes everything that we've covered, including all the handwritten notes, the resources, the key takeaways, my clients get to revisit the discussion whenever they need to. And this not only reinforces the value of our sessions, but it also lets me stay connected to them in the process. I can jump in anytime and add specific questions. I can provide deeper explanations or offer new insights based on their needs. It saves me a ton of time and freeing up my clients from what they would normally be doing, which is taking notes, and they can 100% focus on the work that we're doing together. Now, before Vibe, my clients felt like passive observers instead of active partners in the creative process. But with Vibe, we've become co-creators in this interactive experience that wasn't possible before. And today, I really don't know how I would get by without my Vibe board. It's become such an integral part of my coaching business that I don't think I would be able to run my company without it. Vibe has been hands down a game changer, and I just cannot recommend it enough.